genetic analysis shows deficiency of N-acetylglutamate synthase. Okay, N-acetylglutamate synthase was necessary for urea cycle. Okay, which form N-acetylglutamate? Okay, N-acetylglutamate synthase, the activity of which of the following enzyme is most likely directly affected by this genetic defect? Okay, and what the first step of urea cycle? Okay, I'll just read the question. The patient has, I think, has a kind of a urea cycle problem. A 4-year-old boy is brought to the physician because of somnolence, poor feeding, vomiting after a first breastfeeding. He appears lethargic, respiratory rate is 73. It's too much high. Ammonia is increased. Okay, the patient has a hyperammonemia, congenital hyperammonemia. Okay, what is the problem? The problem is the deficiency of an enzyme called N-acetylglutamate synthase deficiency. Okay, N-acetylglutamate. When there is deficiency of N-acetylglutamate, the activity of which of the following will be affected? Enzyme affected. Well, when there is no N-acetylglutamate. Okay, the first step of urea cycle, just I want to tell you this one really quickly. This is we have ammonia. I don't know why it's not really working good. Ammonia, oh, I don't know, the pen is not going. Ammonia plus carbon dioxide is converted to carbamyl phosphate. Carbamyl phosphate. Okay, there is an enzyme. In here we require a cofactor. The cofactor is N-acetylglutamate. N-acetylglutamate. Okay, what is the enzyme? The enzyme is called carbamyl phosphate synthase 1. Carbamyl phosphate synthase 1. Okay, this is the first step of urea cycle in the liver. Converts ammonia and carbon dioxide, ammonia or bicarbonate, with the help of carbamyl phosphate synthase 1, and the cofactor is N-acetylglutamate to carbamyl phosphate. Then the other steps will start. Okay, when we have deficiency of this enzyme, this one, the enzyme that produces this one, the N-acetylglutamate, N-acetylglutamate synthase, then the activity of the carbamyl phosphate synthase 1 will decrease. Okay, the right option is choice A. That's why there will be more buildup of ammonia in our body. The patient develops somnolence, vomiting, hyperammonemia, these things. Okay, among other options, just I want to tell you, the ornithine transcarbamylase also is an enzyme of urea cycle. In ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency, also we have hyperammonemia like nausea, vomiting, somnolence, these things, hypotomegaly, these things. And, the remainder enzymes are not related to urea cycle.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.